Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be doing the sunlight visibility test between the Realme 6i versus the Poco M2 Pro device. So this is the most requested comment in my channel that which sunlight visibility is good in the Realme 6i or 6 or in the Poco M2 Pro device. So in this video, I'll be comparing the side by side with both the phones using in the direct sunlight. So here you can actually see the difference as well, and do let me know in the comments below which phone you felt having the best brightness visibility in terms of the outdoor. So if you want to know what wallpapers I'm using in this both the smartphones, you can check the links in description for the playlist of wallpapers, and you can find this kind of cool looking punch hole display wallpapers. So let's get started with the sunlight visibility test between the Realme 6i and the Poco M2 Pro device. So this can be also applicable to the Realme 6 device as well, because Realme 6 and 6i both they do have a similar kind of specifications and everything. So let's get started. So right now you can see here friends, exactly I'm in the outside daylight situation, and I have enabled the auto brightness mode in both the smartphones. So whereas in the Poco M2 Pro there is an option for the sunlight mode as well, so which will only increase during the sunlight, so not under the light condition. So only it will detect sunlight and then it will try to increase. But right now I have selected auto brightness and I am using it the full brightness mode, as you can clearly see. So both phones are pretty good in terms of the outdoor brightness conditions as well. So the Poco M2 Pro is slightly better, I guess. So that is what I noticed a little bit while using this both phones side by side. When I compare, the screen looks a little bit brighter on the Poco M2 Pro. So when you compare side by side closely, but all over both phones looks pretty good, so there's no issues. So that's it for this video friends. For more videos do subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.